Hello my fashion lovers, welcome to today's tutorial. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. This is a short video on how to cut a pocket and attach a pocket to your outfits. I'll be showing you how to cut it and how to attach it to your dress. To cut the pocket, just fold your fabric and place your hand on your fabric and mark out, trace out your hand. The essence of this is to make sure that your hand can enter the pocket. That is the essence of this. Make sure you trace it. You trace it out. You are going to have 4 pieces. So after tracing it, cut it out. This is going to be the outer part and this is going to be the inner part, so that when you put your hand inside, it can contain. And when you measure it, what I have here is 8.5 inches. The length is 8.5 inches and the width is 8 inches, depending on how wide your hand is. And with this, I'm going to use it to cut. It's going to be 4 pieces. I'm going to use it to cut another one. Now, after cutting, you're going to get your fabric. You're going to get your fabric from your waistline. From your waistline, the waistline of this I'm working with is 10. That is the waistline. You measure from the shoulder to the waistline. Then from the waistline, mark 3 inches. That is where you're going to place mark 3 inches. That is where you're going to attach your pockets. That is where you're going to attach the pockets. The right side facing the right side. You're going to stitch it down. Make sure that the right side is facing the right side. You're going to stitch it down. The same thing with this side. From your waist, come down by 3 inches and attach it. Let me attach and show you. Now, after sewing the two, we're going to turn it to the back. Where you want to shape it, you're going to place the 2 pockets together. Where you want to shape, place the 2 pockets together. Now you're going to mark your stitches with the sewing allowance. With the sewing allowance, you're going to stitch from here. When you stitch like this, take it to this place, sew it like this, down here with half an inch sewing allowance, come up like this, make sure that they are together, take it up, then take it down and stitch, sew it round, then take it round. Let me sew it and show you. After sewing it, and you turn it to the right side, this is what you're going to have. Can you see your pockets? See what you're going to have. Press it with your iron. See what you're going to have. Please, if you have any question, ask in the comment section. Please, I upload video every week. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you very much. See you next time.